Hi friends, welcome to karmatech, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to add a new folder to your Mac. It can be MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac or any other Mac. So let's say first of all we start a Finder and go into the folder in which you want to create the new folder. Let's say we want to create a folder on our desktop. So there are three ways to create a folder. First is you go into the file section and create new folder and then give it whatever name you want to give. Let's say number 1, and you can see that this desktop and this is the same, so you get your folder. This is the first method. Second method is the shortcut for this, which is Shift Command and N. So Shift Command and N, and it gives you new folder. Let's say we call it number 2. The third method is you can right click. So you can right click with 2 fingers or whatever option you have selected. So you right click, and this is here you have an option of new folder. This is, I think, the fastest way to do that. So this is how you create your third folder. If you want to create a folder on desktop, you actually need not even come to the Finder. You don't need Finder. If you want to create a folder on the desktop, you can just right click on the desktop and you have your option. So this way you create your next folder. So very simple. Either you create it from Finder. There are 3 ways I told you. First is clicking here. Second is the shortcut. Third is the right click. So that's it. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how you create a folder on new Mac. It can be on an internal drive or external drive. The process is the same. So I hope guys this video was useful to you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.